Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I'm going to bring you the Unihertz 8849 new model Shark3. Yes. And today we will have a very quick unboxing video and hands-on video about this new device from Unihertz. And this time we have the Shark3 16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition. And this time for this device to provide a 11,600 mAh battery with 6.373-inch AMOLED screen and 5G device. Wow, next, let's unboxing it. So this is front side, and at the left side we can find the model name. And whoa, I really enjoyed the unboxing time. So I'm really waiting to check the final products. Okay. So first, let's cut it and remove the soft plastic protector. Okay, so this is the Unihertz Shark3 5G radio phone, and for 8849 is one of the most creative mobile device company in the world. Okay, after we open the box, the phone is just in front of us. Okay, let's get it out. So this is phone and it's well protected by the screen protector, and we can find some instructions on the screen. It's smartphone protector, and here they provide a screen, another screen protector. Okay, and have some instructions, so very easy to tell the front and back side of the screen. And here is the use menu, multi-length use menu, and okay, we can find the main features about the smartphone. Here is the IR control button, volume button, customize button, and the back side, the triple camera system, the flashlight, camper light, also the camera, NFC, speaker, and all stuff in the box. Yes, so this camera is on, and it's time for the camera. Let's get a 50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto, and 64MP night vision. Okay, so next, okay, this is the warranty card. Okay, we'll also scan the QR code to join their community. Whoa, so here's another stuff. This is a tool, I think, to open the stop, and also the SIM card slot code, and also it's a cable in a soft plastic bag. Yes. Okay, let's get the cable out and check it. Whoa. So okay. Yes, so this is a white color Type-C to Type-C, yes, Type-C to Type-C cable, and also this time it gets a big battery, as I mentioned, 11,600 mAh battery. Okay, yeah, SIM card, and slot, and stopper tool, and yes, this is the big 120 watt charger. It's a PD plus fast charging supported, and it works with 11,600 mAh battery. It can providing extended usage time for walking and adventure. So these are all the stuff inside the box. Let's put it aside. Okay, and let's go to today's highlight, the Unihertz 8849 Shark3. Okay, at the front we can find the instructions of the smartphone. You get a camper light switch button, customize button, volume button, and also here is the power button. Okay, let's remove the smartphone protector, and yes, the phone finally is in front of us. Whoa, it's got a classical Unihertz design, and the camper light stand out, is distinctive And this time it's a bit like the beer bottle, but not full. Yes, that's very funny. And what? Okay, I think they have a... Okay, this is a case. Okay, I don't find it. It's a case. It's a well protected device, and yes, it's a bit hard to get it, but it's a nice case. It's not transparent one, and it's a bit thin polish, and also the gray color, so nice, and it's fixed tightly to the device, so very nice. Yes, I like it. And here is a device, the Unihertz Shark3. As we can see, this is a classical Unihertz design, but it's time to also make some difference. Here's the camera zoom, and also we can find the infrared emitters, and also the carbon fiber materials were also used as the backside of the smartphone. And the red button is for the camera light switch, and the customized button, volume button. And here's the front side, and also the stopper. You can use the tool to open it. Yes, so it can be well protected. It's from the water. Okay, power button, and this time is don't have built-in projector. So here they change it to the IR. Okay, so with the IR control, you can control your conditioner, TV, or other home appliance. Okay, so it's very convenient. And also from the front side, we can find the screen is synced to the edge of the device. So it's also very classical. Well, the IP68 and 69K phone design. And here is a place for the hook. Yes, so you can hang it on your bag or other device when you go outside or camping or hunting or something. And here is a camera. And it's time to get a 64 megapixel night vision, and it's used the Night Effect Ultra 3.0 algorithm. Yes, this is the power button. So very nice, and I really like the Roger phone design, very tough. And next, let's wake up 10 on the screen, 8849, and powered by Unihertz. And this time also powered, the OS powered by Android 14. Okay. For the Roger device is a niche, but for the 8849 make it more niche actually. Is mainly focused on the projector. At this time they have a new 5G night vision 5G phone. Okay, let's skip. And setup of night. Yes. Skip. Okay, more skip. So it's only in a few steps we can go to the OS. Skip. Yes. Okay. So finally, yes, we entered OS, and the home wallpaper is a dynamic shock. Yes, we can switch from the atom to bolt, and yes, and adjust the brightness. Shark3, yeah, very tough. And we can also go to the settings to check the more information about the device. Okay, here we go to settings and we can find more information. So for this 5G all-round capability Roger phone, it used the Dimensity 8300 processor, 6.73-inch AMOLED screen, and 2K display, 100 Hz refresh rate, 100 nit, and also for the camera, they have a triple rear camera system. 50 megapixel Samsung Gen1 main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto camera, and 64 megapixel night vision camera. And okay, here's more about the phone. Display resolution, as I mentioned, 120 Hz refresh rate. We can check it. It also have a night light, refresh rate, 60, 90, 120 Hz, and you can choose auto. And this is the IR emitter. If you go to the night vision, this will automatically turn on. But I think not here. This is for the night light for the smartphone. Okay, so let's remove the screen protector, and then we can easily to find. If I turn on this mode, it's better for your eyes, especially in a very dark environment. Okay, so this is the Shark3, the basic introduction specifications. Yeah, and have more applications, and also the toolbox used for toolkit, noise test, cameras, torch, camera light, levels, hanging pictures, height measurement, underwater camera, magnifier, alarm bell, and lots of pencils. Don't forget this is not just a 5G phone, it's a waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof IP68 and IP69 cable phone, and also it's support underwater. And another thing I forget to mention is support the reverse charging. Besides the fast charging 120 watt and the big battery 11,600 battery, it also support the reverse charging. And okay, here is the camera part. So the main camera is 50 megapixel Samsung G1 CMOS, 1.2 UMS pixels, and 50 megapixel telephoto camera to ensure sharp zoom capabilities, and also the 64 megapixel night vision camera to enable high quality low light photography. And also the front one I forgot to mention is 62 megapixel camera. It can deliver a crispy and detailed selfie. Yeah, here's more application they pre-installed. Most of them are Google's. And here's the Zebra. This is for the IR controls. Okay, so they have a application to do this. It's very nice. 90 countries. If you can also connect to the Amazon Echo and share with a friend. Okay. And generally speaking, I really like this function, because most of them sometimes you forget where you put your controller, and also you don't have AA battery, and this can help a lot. As you can see, DIY, AC, TV, DVD, and lots of very. You can also add to your own device, so this is very nice. You can add your own device. Echo, yes, very nice. I think this is very useful and practical functions. Okay, so next, I think it's a camera light. It's also another main feature spot device. Also, this is the camera light button. You can switch it from different mode: flashlight mode, SOS mode, camera light mode. And I really think the camera light form is a bit like the beer bottle, very funny. And this function is very useful when you go outside camping or you go cave. Yes, and also here's the infrared mode, and if we turn on here, the emitters will automatically turn on. And we can also have a very quick camera test. So this is wooden. It's engraved via this machine. So we can use it and test the camera of the Shark3. Okay, normal mode. Zoom. Okay, so cannot get the software zoom. We need to use our hand to adjust it, and also here is the maximum 20 times zoom. I think it's okay. We get some details. Go back. Wide angle. Yes, cannot. With software cannot. We can only use our hand. Video. Selfie. Yeah. Also, the selfie is 4 times. Okay. High. Yes, go back. Video. So it's infrared, and it's most of the larger phone they call it night mode or night vision mode. So after we turn on this, it's not be colorful, just white, black, or some gray. But for this part is even if you turn off the light in a very dark environment, and this function still works. The camera function still works. Okay, let's put another 3D print, bamboo 3D print toy here, coin here, and check the night vision. The infrared now is the normal, as I mentioned. Because the engraved wooden is only black and white or gray, so cannot find a difference. We need a colorful object. So here we find the difference. Okay, so this is for the normal camera, and I will use my controller. Turn off the light. Oh, automatic turn off the light. Yeah, finally. Oh, only smartphone is light on, and now we can test. Yes, I turn on and I turn off. You can find a difference. I'm not joking. Here it's the normal. Again, we can show you. This is the normal mode. We can find the black and white, and also the colorful 3D print coin, and boom, turn off all the light. We can think it can't see anything, just black. But if we go to the night vision, infrared, wow, amazing time. Yes, we can still find the object, but only black and white. We can also zoom. Whoa, amazing. And here's the details. We can also get the details of the object, the panda. Again. Okay, if we remove the phone, nothing. And if we go back, everything is in the window, in the camera. Yes, we can zoom as well. Okay, so this is the magic part of the infrared and night vision cameras. And so in some special circumstances, this is very useful. And the other normal phones, they don't have. I don't know why they don't add this, but I think it's pretty useful. And also, we can record video with this infrared mode. Yes. Everything's on in my screen. Yes. So, wow. What do you think of this features. I think not everyone will need it, but it's still very nice function. And I think this is one of the best advantages for the larger phones. Yes, details. And for this night vision, 64 megapixel. Yes. Yes, here's the infrared emitter, 4 light, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the more light you have, the better night vision performance you can get. So this is a Shark3. Let's go back and 10 on the light. Yes, we're back. So this is the Shark3, a 5G larger phone with Dimensity 8300 4 nanometers, produce technology 3.35 GHz phone, and this time it's no built-in projector, but it's a night vision, Wi-Fi 6, 2K display resolution, 120 refresh rate. Okay, so this is today's main content, and let's attend the video for more quick jump here. Bye bye. Okay, so you can check more samples here. Enjoy it.